Waterless Wash cleans dirt off of your vehicle without the use of water. This wash is able to clean your vehicle's paint, its glass, and its wheels, all while using zero polymers, silicones, or wax. The detail spray can be used after a wash to reduce water spots and leave you with zero streaks and lots of shine. The rubber mat and liner cleaner is great for making tires extremely clean and black, especially when used with the Adams tire brush. To purchase these products, visit us online at gmpartsnow.com and don't forget to subscribe below.